Hi guys, it's Lizzie. Welcome back to my channel, Liz Self Adventure. Today, I am going to be doing a unboxing of everything I got at the bargain bin store. So yeah, let's get started. So make sure you guys, either before or after this video, go check out my other video I did, where I'm showing you guys what I got and everything. So yeah. I have this to-do list that I'm going to, I think I have to make things for it because it's like these things. So I don't know because I just got this. So yeah. Yeah, I think I have to make them. I think I actually get to, this is paper so I get to write on these of what I have to do, of my to-do list. So yeah, it's all at X because I have not done anything yet. So I'm gonna hang this probably on my wall and then put what I have to do. Like when I wake up in the morning, I have to make my bed, get dressed, brush my teeth, eat breakfast, all that stuff, okay? So that's probably what I got. That's probably what I have to do. So then this 3D creative visualization lamp, I got for someone, but it's not me. So this is a little cloth you can wipe it with. And then it has this. It has this plug where you can turn it on, turn it down, or turn it up. But it's not in like volume like the light because it's a thing, and it says it's to my dad. I don't know what it says. It just says something like to my father from daughter. I just said that because I don't know what it actually says. So I don't know what it says, but it looks like this. That would just go in here. Oh, if I can get it in there. Yeah, there we go. It goes in there and then you turn it on. So it's cute and I liked it. So it would be like a really cute gift for my dad. And then the cloth and that. So that's what I got for in there. And then the candle I don't have to open. And then the face cream I will look at it. So like I'm not going to try it. Not. So yeah. If you guys are wondering why I got this face cream, it's because first of all it works with my outfit. And I'm doing everybody's Halloween makeup. Because I did a doll makeup on myself, like a creepy doll makeup on myself. So, yeah. So yeah, it's just like cream, I guess, basically. I think that would work well. But my whole face needs to be covered in white, so I need that. And then, I don't know where the black one is. But then I have Hug My Heels. I'm not going to open because I don't want to lose them. So you just put them in the back of your shoe. Now let's open this one. Or should we wait? I think I'm going to wait for this one to be in the last. Like at last. The last. And then you saw that I got the boots. And then the U-bin boots. Because I'm not going to take them out because I'm scared that I might lose them. And then the hat. And the gloves that I'm going to open. So, those are nice ones. I'm going to have to take my picture out. And if you guys checked out my last video, it might be like, that's the same shirt. That's because I'm doing the same video today. The same videos today, and so. It has a little handprint, except for the thumb, because the thumb's folded in. And then I think I'm gonna try and want to see how long they are, because I needed a pair of gloves. So I was thinking either netted gloves or something else. So yeah. Okay, let's see if we got it on. Oh yeah, that would work well. So all I really need is a pair of, not a pair, I need a wig. I need a black wig. So, yeah, that's what the gloves look like on me. I'm gonna grab on the other, I'll just take the other pair off right this second. And yeah, make sure I stay tuned to the end, because what I have, I'll show you guys my costume of what I have, because I have it in my closet, and then I have this and my boots and everything like that. So then the hat I have, oh, and then here's the other makeup cream. I've never done makeup, like Halloween makeup before, because like this is my first year doing it. So I just like these. So I don't think I showed you guys the other time, but that's what it looks like. And then I'll slowly go back in. But I'm not going to show like my makeup on and everything, because that will take a little bit. And then I also have these crayons that I've had. So you know, it's just easier to get this stuff too, to try it. And then I got these ones. So I'll show you guys what there is. So there's this tornado, a sunny day, a gray cloud, and then all like that. So, and then there's a lightning cloud and all that. Cause there's quite a bit, like, cause this pack full has quite a bit. So yeah. And then the other two, I don't really need to unbox them, because like you could really see what they are, like the cloud holidays or the flower ones, like the flower ones are like that. And then the cloud holiday ones. So let's do the final and last thing. The hat. It has a little present, and then it sticks up. That would work if I had a headband on. No, the legs stick up by itself, actually. I hope you guys can see it. I'm gonna see myself in my mirror real quick. Oh, wow. So, yeah, I just took it off because it's fine. I don't want to look. So, yeah, I'm gonna pause the video and then I'm going to show you what my costume is. Get a little sneak peek about it. And then I'm probably gonna do a get ready with me for Halloween.